Now I'm going to talk about several options in the print procedure. So let me show you what the original data set looks like. I'm going to print it out here. I've got several different companies, their debts, a number, and the town that they're located in. So the first thing to remember is that proc sort is going to sort by town and community. So let me go ahead and print this out for you. First, it's going to sort by town. That's the number one thing that it sorts by. So it'll group things together in towns. And then, because company is the second variable that I'm sorting by, within each town, I have things ordered in alphabetical order. Now, if company had been the first variable that I sorted by, we would have sorted the entire thing in alphabetical order. So, having said that, let me show you one of the options that I put in this print statement, and that was the no observation option. So you saw when I printed that out that it was only printing the town and the company. It didn't print the observation numbers as it usually does. That's the default, is to put the observation number in there. And then I only printed out these two variables, the town and the company, even though there were a couple other variables in there that could have come out. Those were the only two I wanted printed. Another thing you can do is you can print out something with an ID variable. Now, I've got town as the ID variable here. You probably usually want to use something like a social security number or some other number that you have listed for them. But you can use anything. Here are a couple other options. One is this label statement. So I picked out some labels for these variables. I wanted to print out, instead of the letters COM, which means something to me because I'm programming and I want something short, sweet, and easy to type when I'm programming, but it may not mean something to the person who's going to read the output. I might write something like company here instead of COM. And I can do whatever I want with town. Okay, dad is nice. And then watch the label for number. I've got to scroll over a little bit. It says account number for me. So I've got 4 words. That means that label is getting a little bit long, right? Well, SAS will automatically pick out its own way of putting things on different lines. So it might write account, and then number will be on the second line, and then 4 might be on the third line, and then me might be on the 4th line. So I might have 4 lines where that title appears. If you don't want that, or if you want to split up the title in some other form or fashion,